All right, so the first area that I want to tackle is my bedroom. Because again, like we didn't sleep out here last night, but I did pull 2 pillows for us. So I'm gonna get the pillows put back, and I need to vacuum. I mean, I always need to vacuum, right? So we're just gonna do that, not make too much of a fuss. A random sock, remotes. The remotes go over on this side. Got my extra water bottle here. I've got dirty clothes that my niece tried to it was on the floor, and then she stepped on the shorts, and then she was dragging it. She thought it was hilarious, so I had to put them up the top. Tweezers. Got a random scrunchie. I'll get those put up. Oop. All right, over in this corner, just some light folding. Gonna get my shoes put up. That one goes there. I need to get them cleaned. They're looking pretty dirty. Comment down below, let me know how you clean your shoes. My niece took these out. She wanted to go for a walk, and those were the ones she picked out. All right, got the shoes all done. That's gonna annoy me. Anyone else? And then the black pair, they're by the garage door. It definitely needs to be a bathroom cleaning day. However, I might reserve bathrooms for tomorrow. So, but as you can see, just stuff everywhere. Yeah, I need to vacuum, mop, clean the tub, even though I haven't used the tub at all yet, clean the shower. So, clean the mirror. This bathroom needs a deep, deep clean. So, but maybe in today's video, I don't know. We'll see how quickly I can get the rest of the house clean. Oh, I need to pull that down a little bit. All right, so the room is clean. We're all good. That's just an extra blanket. It's not cute there, but whatever. But yeah, so the rest of the room is clean. I did vacuum yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and, you know what? I'm not gonna vacuum this room. We're just gonna move on to the living room. Niece forgot her. She didn't forget. I forgot to grab it. Pick up Loxie's bone. We're gonna put that over here. Grabbing all the dirty clothes. Okay, so here are her extra little toys. We're gonna get these put upstairs. A hairband. Loxie's bed out of this room. And as usual, we're gonna beat the crap out of the couch so that we can fluff it. So when I first got this couch, I told you guys that there was there were some, mixed reviews about it. And so I knew what I was getting myself into. And one of the things about it is you have to, fluff it pretty much every day. And these are not going to be, by the way, my permanent pillows. I just brought some of them from upstairs just to kind of just to see what it would look like with pillows. I don't even know if you can hear me over me pounding over this, but I just wanted to see what the pillows would look like, basically, and I haven't purchased new ones. That makes me out of breath, and as usual, we're gonna go in with a linen spray. I found my other one. I have another scent. It's in the bathroom. All right, gonna take her little Polly Pocket necklaces. I've got to find some way to store all her toys. We're gonna put it right here by the stairs since it needs to go upstairs. That needs to go upstairs. Let's move this out of the way because now we're gonna vacuum the living room. And then the living room will be done. Off camera, I vacuumed. So the living room is perfect, minus one thing. Let's change Blippi. Like, listen, dude, I know you're a millionaire. Congrats for you and all, but I cannot watch you a second longer. So we're gonna put in, I think I have Weekend at Bernie's in my DVD player. So we're gonna crank that puppy up. All right, there we go. So we got a good movie going. And now it's time for the kitchen. And let me tell you, you know what? I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just gonna clean. All right. I don't know why we have paint here, but I guess I'm gonna store some down here. This is the corner where I store anything that needs to be recycled. So I got some things. I'm gonna go into the garage and get those in the trash can for recycling. Gonna wash my hands. Now I'm gonna do the dishes, but listen, I have to do this with music. So I'm gonna overlay some music for you guys, but we'll do this, knock it out quickly. And then we're gonna do the countertops, and then we're gonna vacuum the floors and mop the floors. But the mopping maybe, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that clip, but dishes first. Alexa, play 80s music.
The station is all reading on Amazon Music.
Now I'm gonna use this granite cleaner. It's a daily cleaner. It is called Granite Gold. I am gonna do the other side, I just do one. Yeah, today's a lazy day. Here's a little Polly Pocket. All right, my right arm completely cramped up. I think it was just from the angle I was having to hold it because the stairs are so narrow. But I did get it all cleaned. Now I will say that it's not perfect. I would have to switch this part out with a different one. And it did come with a lot of different parts, but that one is just so rectangular that, you know, it's just gonna get the main space, but anything that's like in those cracks right there, I would have to do a smaller part. But I mean, my back does not hurt. My right arm just cramped up basically. So it definitely helps for me to be able to stand up and not have to bend over. So got that done. I also, I stopped filming for this and I filmed an Amazon haul and then I edited it and now it's going up. So I've done that. And living room is still in the same condition. My daughter's out there tanning and the kitchen is nice and clean. So you're probably seeing this centerpiece. I'm still messing with decor. I haven't finalized anything yet for this kitchen. I've just been, you know, playing with things that I already own and seeing like kind of how I like it. So I took this galvanized tray and then I added this in the center, which actually used to be in my guest bathroom at the last house. And then I added this in the center of that and then the little flower sign, but I'm definitely not going to keep it. It's not what I want. And the back just kind of looks like that. So it's just not working out. Those used to be there, but you know, I didn't like them either. And this is why when I talked about when I moved into this house, I wanted to redo the kitchen because I just don't think that my decor is very complimentary. At least I don't see it. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but I just think different countertops and different color cabinets would make my style pop better. And yeah, so anyways, kitchen's nowhere even near done, but you can see how shiny the countertops are and everything. I need a rug and I need to get this space going too, but I think it's gonna probably be the last. Who knows? But anyway, now I'm trying to figure out what my next step is. I wanna mow the lawn, but I don't know if I'm gonna go do that right now. And what else did I wanna do? Oh, I wanna go upstairs and bring down some of the Christmas decor so that I can get it put up in the garage. But I would need my daughter's help with that, and maybe I'm gonna reserve that and do it for Sunday tomorrow. But it needs to be done eventually. So I'm probably gonna go work on the lawn, which I'm not gonna film, and we'll see kind of what happens in the next clip.